Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are going to make some cauliflower tacos. So go ahead and cut up your cauliflower and throw it into a bowl. We're going to come back to it after we make the avocado sauce. So to make the avocado sauce, go ahead and get an avocado, cut it up and put it into a blender. You're going to want to do 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. You're going to do 1/4 of a cup of some water. And then I put some onion powder into this, and I also put some garlic powder in it. And you're going to want to blend it up to the consistency that you like. And then you're going to go back to the bowl of cauliflower. I put chili powder in this. I did garlic powder, onion powder, and then I put some cornstarch in it as well. The cornstarch was just to crisp it up a little bit. After the cornstarch, you're going to go ahead and add some olive oil into the bowl and just mix it all around so everything's evenly coated. And then you're going to want to put it on a sheet and bake it at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then I moved outside to the Blackstone and threw some carrots on it. This is going to be topped on the cauliflower, and then I'm just reheating the cauliflower a little bit here. And then you're going to want to get some corn tortillas, put the avocado sauce down on it, and then layer everything how you want, and go ahead and eat it. I suggest you try it out. Thank you.